Okay, so this video is quickly going to go through multiplying mixed numbers. Now we should know how to multiply fractions together. Just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators together. And you might also know about how to cancel things. If we look at this example, I've got up here saying convert the numbers to improper fractions and then multiply. Yes, you can do that, but you might be able to do it in your head. Okay, so this is 3 groups of 2.5, which just means 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So I have 2.5 pizzas plus 2.5 pizzas plus 2.5 pizzas. How many pizzas do I have in total? Well, you should see that you can do this. Alright. Get the whole numbers together, get the fractions together. That's 6. A half plus a half is 1, plus another half is 7.5 in total. Okay, so that's pretty easy, isn't it? So you don't always have to convert numbers to improper fractions and then multiply and then cancel down. You know, it just depends on the question. Alright, so let's just do it for fun though. Let's convert it to an improper fraction and then see if we get the same result. Okay, my pen was a little bit funny, so it should be 7.5. Alright, so converting to an improper fraction, first I would have to write 3 as 3 on 1, and then convert this to an improper fraction. So how many halves are in 2? It's 4 halves. So this in total is 5 on 2. So 2 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 5. You get 5 on 2. The reason that works is because 2 wholes equals 4 halves. Okay, and you add another half. 4 halves plus another half gives you 5 halves. Right, that's 5 on 2, 5 halves. Now let's multiply numerators and denominators together. 3 times 5 is 15, 1 times 2 is 2. Now going back to a mixed number, how many 2's in 15? 7 with 1 remainder, so it's 7.5. Okay, let's do this one here, 2.5 times 3.25. So first convert to improper fraction, so we have 5 on 2 times whatever this is as an improper fraction. So how many quarters go into a whole? It's 4 quarters. So how many quarters go into 3? It's 12 quarters. So you have 12 quarters plus another quarter gives you 13 quarters. And you might have seen this before, but you go 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So you get 13 quarters. Alright. And then we do the multiplication. And then we simplify down if we can. Okay, 5 times 13. Well, 5 times 10 is 50, plus 5 times 3 is 15, so you get 65, over 2 times 4 is 8, okay? And then go to mixed numbers. How many 8's go into 65? It's 8 with 1 remainder, so you get 8 and 1/8 as my answer, okay? So that's how you multiply mixed numbers together. Sometimes you might be able to cancel if there's some common factors between the numerator and denominator, but the examples that I chose do not do that. That's it.